Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sivatmika Chavali. Guess what? Today is my first flight. Yes! Okay, I'm so excited and also I'm feeling some kind of nervous, a bit of tension and a bit of fear. All these emotions are mixed today and I really don't know, and I'm going alone guys. So I just want to experience how it would be. Let's see. Okay, now I'm in cab. I have seen so many people travel in flights, watched YouTube videos, and also imagine this moment. And today I'm actually on the way to the airport. I think no matter how many times we fly in the future, this first time feeling is something we will never get back. So I just want to enjoy every single moment of this journey and share it with you all. Finally, I'm in airport and this is my boarding pass. Now I need to go. So this is the airport entrance. You can see, and these are the self check-in machine at the airport. If you haven't checked in online, you can use this to get your boarding pass. See here. First, you just select your airline and then enter your details like your booking ID, passport number, or you can even scan your ID here. And here I am entering PNR, and you can see you will get the boarding pass right here. Now I got my boarding pass and now I have officially entered the airport. Next was the security check. Honestly, I was a little nervous at first, but it was actually smooth. They checked my ID, scanned my bags, and everything was done. After that, the real challenge started. I had to find my gate, and my gate number is 104. And trust me, the airport is so huge. I was literally walking around checking every sign like, where is gate 104? But yeah, slowly I started figuring things out. At one point, I felt like I was in a maze. So, in the middle of all this searching, I got a little distracted. I saw this drink, strawberry matcha, and this was from Third Wave Coffee, not cafe. Everyone always says matcha is famous. So I was like, okay, let me try it once. But guys, after tasting it honestly, I did not like it at all. I don't know how people drink that. So to recover from that experience, I ordered a chocolicious milkshake, and this is the second one now. And after tasting that one, it was so good. It's really so tasty. They added ice cream also in that milkshake. It's really good. I usually don't prefer ice creams or milkshakes that much, but today calories don't count. Hehehe. So while I was exploring the things, I saw a plane in my beside gate. So I just went there to see how the big and powerful is the aeroplane. Look at the structure and size. Oh my god. I sometimes wonder how did humans create something so powerful? And there is one more plane here, you can see there. Just look at the structure and the maintenance behind it. It's so insane and mind blowing. While I was waiting near my gate, I saw some kids playing happily, and there's me stressed about my first flight, and also double checking my gate number every 2 minutes. Finally, boarding started. They were calling zones one by one. My zone is 3. When my zone got called, I was like, yes, my turn. But plot twist, no direct entry. They put us in a bus, and that bus dropped us right near the plane. And here I'm searching for my seat. My seat is window seat. And see, this is the view from my window seat.
1 hour later.
was me when the plane was about to land. I was a little scared, not gonna lie. I was just sitting there quietly praying, like, please land safely. Oh my god. Finally landed safely, and I'm saying bye bye to my airplane. I'm gonna miss this one. So that's it. Thank you for watching my first flight experience, and later I just booked my cab. And please like, share, and subscribe.